Hello, I am Professor Sandip Roy, Faculty of Advertising and Branding at Flame University. If you are passionate about brands, storytelling, digital innovation, and the evolving world of marketing communication, the MBA in Communications Management at Flame offers a unique opportunity to build a career at the intersection of creativity, strategy, and technology. Our program is designed to combine management thinking with communication expertise. Students gain strong foundations in marketing, in analytics, and business strategy, while specializing in areas such as advertising and branding, digital marketing and communications, and film and television management. The learning experience at Flame goes far beyond traditional classroom teaching. Our pedagogy blends theoretical rigor with case studies, group projects, brand creation exercises, and industry interactions, along with global industry immersions, allowing students to experience how communication strategies are developed and executed in the real world. Students interested in advertising and branding area explore how powerful brands are built through strategic planning, creative storytelling, consumer insights, and integrated campaigns. In digital marketing and communications, the curriculum reflects the realities of the modern marketing ecosystem. Students work on courses such as digital content creation, search marketing, social media marketing, digital analytics, biddable media, customer experience design, and emerging technologies including AI-driven analytics. A distinctive feature of our program is our Student Agency Live project, where students simulate the working environment of an advertising agency, working with real budgets and real clients, managing real campaigns, and building real industry exposure even before they graduate. One of the key highlights of the program is the integration of career academies, guided by industry professionals to align business education with evolving industry needs. Students gain role-based, career-relevant exposure through 6 academies. These academies combine certifications, practitioner-led modules, industry field visits, and guest sessions. The academic journey culminates in a graduation project where students conduct rigorous research in their chosen area of specialization, often presenting their work in national and international conferences. At Flame, students learn from faculty who combine strong academic credentials with deep industry experience, bringing insights from the world of marketing, media, digital transformation, and communication strategy. Graduates from the MBA CM program pursue careers across diverse industries, including advertising agencies, digital marketing firms, consulting, media and entertainment, technology companies, brand management teams, and corporate communication divisions. The roles range from brand managers and digital strategists to media planners, content marketeers, research specialists, and corporate communication leaders. If you aspire to shape brands, influence audiences, and lead communication strategies in a digital-first world, the MBA in Communications Management at Flame University can be your ideal launchpad. We look forward to welcoming the next generation of communication leaders.